Jasprit ji and Davin ji, many congratulations. We spoken last night and you guys are buying a new business.
Yes.
Alright. So Jasprit ji and Davin ji, my new clients, they're buying a new business. Let me ask them a couple of questions. Is it your first business?
Yes.
And is it your first partnership?
Yes.
So Jasprit ji has own family, Davin ji has own family. They become a partner and it's their first business and it's their first partnership. Let's check. Jasprit ji and Davin ji, you buying a business for $1.2 million. Have you done a due diligence for this business?
Not yet.
So they haven't done the due diligence. Due diligence is something when a customer or a broker or a client or a seller provides you information. That information of 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, it's only a summary. What is behind those summary pages, it's something very much important. So when you're spending $1.2 million, due diligence, in my opinion, is must. So I suggest don't rush. Let's do a due diligence. But before that, when I spoken to you last time, they wanted to select a random structure because they are rushing. Don't rush. There are different structure. For example, Jasprit ji, Davin ji, there's a company. Okay? There is a family trust. There is a partnership which you wanted, a quick partnership, easy, quick, low cost, because your friend told you to set up a low cost structure, partnership, and a sole trader doesn't apply for you. But what I suggest, because you are two partners, have you guys thought, you have your own tax planning, you have your own tax planning, have you guys thought how you going to take out money from the business?
No, not yet decided.
Have you guys thought about asset protection? Have you guys thought about limited liability? If you are a two partner, if you are two families together, there are different structure. Don't rush, because every different structure, Jasprit ji, Davin ji, has a different benefit. Maybe a limited liability, maybe a tax planning, maybe income distribution, or maybe asset protection. In your case, we may think about unit trust with a trustee company. Again, do you have time? Are you okay for us to guide you in detail? Do you want a limited liability? You want to make sure assets are protected? How much is your spouse income? How much is your spouse income? What is your future plan? There are a lot of things involved in selecting a business structure. So do you want to just rush? Do you want to just rush? Or do you want to do the right thing in a right way? Asset protection, tax planning, profit distribution, limited liability, due diligence, you name it. And you know, one of the most important thing, let's say you have a family trust, you combine your family trust together and you buy the business. When you go for any borrowing, bank may, again, it's not compulsory, may ask you for the beneficiary details as well. So your loans can be very complicated. Before I go further, I want to make sure I tell you, this is a general discussion. It's not an advice. If you want an advice, make sure you consult your accountant or tax advisor. If you want our help, our professional, our expert team is here in Kennington, Ellenbrook and Gosnells. So we are here to help. But this is not an advice. It's only a general discussion. So Jasprit ji and Davin ji, what I suggest, let's not listen to your friends. Please, and let's sit down. We sit down with you and your family, we sit down with you and your family, and let's select the right structure and right steps for your business. And that is our duty.
I think that's the best idea. So we will book an appointment, and I think that's a really good information what you have given. It's a first business, and I think we should have thought about that earlier. But definitely, we'll come together, and we'll find the best structure for our business as well.
Definitely. So in your first business, if you have first business, have you thought about cash flow? Cash flow management is very important. So let's sit down. I'm going to sit down with Jasprit ji, Davin ji, their family individual. We're going to select the right structure. They want it by tomorrow, but I'm not going to help it by tomorrow. I'm going to guide them in the right steps, right way, so they can thank me after 6 months rather than they regret after 1 year. And that is the duty of Team Universal. We are here since 2010. We've been helping West Aussies since 2010. 15 years here. We are growing. Thank you to all our clients and all our friends and families who's supporting us and who's referring us clients. We are here and we will do our duty of care. Thank you very much, everyone, and All the best.
Thank you.